So can I take this one like
no. It's the same repo only. I just renamed it because we cannot have a duplicate repo, right? Since I was testing it for ingestion, right? So I just renamed same CRDIM
okay.
only with
But
underscore
I can use
ingestion.
this one.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
This is the main repo name actually. I just renamed it in the database.
Yeah. Okay, one thing, if I, for example, go to your repos and start working from there, like run whatever, anything from the wizard, is it gonna go update whatever under yours, or it's gonna...
No, you won't be having access at my repo. It will fail because it will add some because it throw an error. Since you are running from my repo, right? It won't allow. By default, it will take your user ID and email when you are running any notebook sometimes. So it won't allow to run from my. So even if it allows, also it won't work. It will throw error at the end.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
So only the option is either you need to copy the code from here, or
I copy it.
close the notebook. Yeah.
I copy it.
Command 7. You just copy the complete code.
I did 6 and 7. Yeah.
Sure.
Do I need to run it or?
No. Now you are in your repo only, right?
Yeah.
Your repo. Yeah. Then just run it. Just wanted to check the entity name, which entity you are, because this will take the same entity which I was using for testing.
I took exactly this one. So
6 and 7.
Yeah, I took 6 and 7.
Okay.
The last
command 7. Yeah, command 7. Go to command 7. Just wanted to see the table name there.
Yeah. It failed actually. Not sure why.
What is the error?
One of the command couldn't be...
At the top, go to the very first command.
This one?
No, the first command. And maybe somewhere it's one of the commands could not be passed. It's failing at the very beginning of the command 1 or command 2 somewhere. Starting from the command 1.
Yeah.
Here is the error actually. Yes, in the first cell only, notebook not found. So it's saying that in the very first command 2, notebook not found. This is the actual error actually. Relative path. Okay, notebook is there. Not found HDP app. It's within the HDP app only actually. Template HDP app. Let me verify once. It's HDP app and HDP net. Yeah, it's. Can you run only this command? Control enter. Okay. Can you go to your repo? Yeah. Please go to your repo. Yeah. Okay.
What do you want me to do?
One sec. Template in, just open this notebook. One more time. New tab. Okay. One sec. Just a moment.
You also have the same
screen. No. Okay, Shipra.
I'm just recording from my mobile. I will go through it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. No problem.
One sec. Better will take I'll share you the branch. Let's take that.
What does that mean?
Yeah, I'll show you. Okay. Now go to your repo. Go to your repo. Okay. So here, can you add a repo? Add repo. I'll give you the link. Add repo.
In the top.
Add repo.
Add repo. Left side.
Yeah,
Sorry,
okay,
right side.
Yeah. So I'll give you the link. You just paste that link in the repo.
For ingestion, we need to again create repo.
No. Actually, since it's not having the latest changes, right?
Okay.
That is why we are creating it. So since now if you keep it only CRDIM, it won't work. It's fine. Azure DevOps is fine. Repository name, you just change it to raw or ingest anything. Yeah, fine. Create repo. Now change the branch. Here it is pointing to main. Change it to search with your name. There is one ingestion Tariq, right? Yeah, use that. Ingestion underscore Tariq. Yeah. Then you close it. Now you go to this repo. Now again run the create ingest.
let me.
Wizards? No. You just want to verify it?
Yeah, I want to make sure that's also similar to yours. Yeah.
It's similar because this branch is created on top of my branch, so it will be having the same.
No, it's not. You can see it's not. That's why.
You scroll down.
I just pasted, so yeah.
I think recently maybe I was working on it. Is one sec. Quickly, let me check HDP app template. Template is just. Yeah. Let me ping you the code and change it there. That is a better option because recently I think again I'm not sure if someone is testing it. It should not be the case. One second. I'm just pinging you. Yeah. Remove that.
It have a lot of spaces, but
yeah, this is the problem with the copy paste sometimes. Remove the spaces. And at least because from my repo you copied, right? At that time it should not throw that error because let's check now.
Okay, but okay.
Command 6 also I'll give, just paste the command 6. There's not much change in the command 6. It's only 2 line changes.
No, the same error. Notebook not found.
When you run, no, don't run it actually. It will reference actually. So don't run this notebook. You just, it's a reference. It acts as a reference to create ingest notebook. So you just open the create ingest and run that create ingest wizard only. HDP app. Yeah, you can go to this Databricks, HDP app, wizards, create ingest. No. You don't need to run any of the templates. Those are just a reference to these wizards.
Okay.
Okay, you just give an entity name which you want to extract from source and the ingest entity name.
Shall I use the one that I just gave or a new one?
Yeah. You try with the one which you tried earlier, yeah. Yes.
Let's put it that way.
There should not be no spaces in between. No, it won't take the spaces, it will throw error. It should be underscore.
Yeah.
Now it is running. It's running in preview mode. Yeah, so when we keep it in the preview, it will generate the preview and then we can change it to create. I think now it's completed. You just go to the raw layer. You should be able to see the entity.
Where was it?
Raw.
Raw.
One raw.
Yeah.
You open that. Yeah. I just. Okay. Go to the command 6 directly. These are all, I think it's fine. Command 6.
It's fine.
It's fine. Okay. Command 7.
Yeah, I can see command 7. Yeah, it took your
reference. So you can change the table name. Yeah. You can change the table name here if the table name from the exact table name from the source. Okay. Just run this.
Only 7 or the entire thing?
Run all. Since it's a generated code, yeah, you have to run complete.
also a question. No, not a million.
Okay.
For example, if we in the creation or layer, we will do the relationship and the combination, find the link between all the tables. Sometimes in our query or in our join table, we will join the similar tables together. For example, identity, we will join it with the same identity table to bring completely different data. Do we need to upload the identity table twice or just once?
Once, it's fine.
Okay.
It will initially read the schema and the data.
Okay.
So
very
you
nice.
can do the self-join.
Yeah. Okay. Because so what we agreed on yesterday is that we will upload all of our tables, and then in the job of action, when we are doing the linking and so on, we will see, okay, which things or which columns will be needed exactly, what will be the naming, and everything will be done in the other layer. But for now, so I was asking, like, if me and Shipra, we will upload all the tables, do we need to have a duplicate one or just one?
No duplicate. You just, whatever all the tables you want to bring, you can bring all the tables once.
Okay, nice.
It was very fast. Is that having very less records? Because the one I tested with SPT,
100 or 200 rows.
Okay.
It's fine. Maybe I can also.
Fine.
I think only the application is the smallest one. The rest is big, even the entitlement or attributes. Okay. Maybe I can take this one as an.
No, fine. That's it.
I can use the time and create a new one,
Yeah. Yeah, you can use the time and create a new one as well.
But for example, let me do it, so at least.
You should not load if you are doing more than 10. Compute will be like Shipra is doing some around 10 transformations, and you are also working on more than 10 transformations, then compute will get load as is expected in SQL or Oracle as well. At a time when we load the server. Compute is nothing but the instance, so same way here also it works. So once the execution of this transform notebook completes, you will be having data in your raw layer. So from raw, you can run a create staging. There is one more wizard for create staging. Generate again from raw to staging.
Okay. So during the transformation is not do. I cannot create a new ingest.
You can create, not a problem, but for a different table, not for the same table.
Because it gave me this one automatically. Okay.
And create. Again, you can open that as well and run that in parallel. It should be in the raw.
Okay.
the table name exactly. You just wait to the right table. The right table, then you just
This one suppose the previous one.
okay. Let's see.
So let's see.
Yeah. So meanwhile, you can also check in your container, storage container as well. I think you should be able to access storage container. Let me ping you the link for that. One sec. So you should be able to see
what is the
data
storage
lake
container?
That is nothing but your data will be storing. Data lake.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's already done. The new table is already there. So you said after it's loading.
After this, yeah, you can open create staging to read data from raw to staging. What it will do is it will read the attributes and create a transform notebook same like this. Like it will generate the code same like this and load the data to staging.
Create a stage.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I run it?
Yeah. Select your entity here.
So I can select the one that I just created, right?
Which bundle requirements is completed already?
Yeah.
This is the one completed, right? Okay, yeah. Then you can select the one bundle requirement.
Okay, and then preview is already done. I can.
One second. You can just verify if it is reading the attributes correctly or not. In the preview section, once it generates the preview, right, you just need to verify the attributes. No.
So we will not gonna touch the attributes. We are just gonna upload all.
Then it's fine.
Yeah, we will.
So it is reading the attributes from the table. Now you can just create it. That's it. Now this will be creating in the staging layer. Now you are moving data from raw to staging. This moved your data to staging. The transform notebook is generated in staging.
Okay, it's already also done. Give me a second. And yeah.
Like this.
And what shall I do in that state?
No, just you need to verify your attributes are correct or not. Just to check attributes and all. Just a verification. The code is generated. You just need to run. We don't do any, modification and thing. You just need to verify the attributes. That's it. Run all.
and I've uploaded.
Okay, meanwhile, I just pinged you one link. This is a data lake link. Let me just check. Open it. Yeah. Just wanted to check if you should be able to access it. Okay. Go to BU is equal to yes. Go to CRD. PP is equal to CRD. CRD. Yeah. Okay. Oracle. Since we moved the data to Oracle, module is DEF. Yes. Open it. So here you should be able to see your data bundle requirements. If you open, you will see the Parquet format data, which is coming from Oracle. So it also, every iteration, if you open here, it will store it in the year, month, date, and number of iteration.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
So it will maintain the historical data.
Okay, and even the day I can see.
Yes, day and
So
even
if we
iterations.
did the refresh. Okay, cool. So from there we can take the snapshot if we want it monthly, yearly, or whatever. Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
If you get inside that
will be
folder,
very
right?
happy about that.
Yeah, he is already know about it because he was part of our afternoon call with GRC and cyber defense use cases.
Okay. That got okay. I can see it's already also run.
Yeah.
This is it, right? Once
that's it. Now your data is in staging layer.
Okay.
For staging also we have a similar container. You can verify your data is there in the similar data lake we have for staging. Let me ping you for staging as well. So you should be able to see your data there.
Is anything like from me and Shibra? I believe this is it. The rest, like once we added all of our data to staging and to row and staging, then Akshat can go ahead and do the linking.
From staging he can take it using the create transform, which we started in the first session, right?
Yeah.
So create transform will read from the staging and then he can push it to the curated or serving. Yeah.
Very nice.
Based on the logic. Yeah.
Cool.
Let me ping you this staging layer as well to make sure you have data there.
Akshit will take care of curation level.
Yeah. Okay. That was actually what's supposed to happen in the beginning. It was a misunderstanding. But yeah, we will only take care of the raw data. And
raw to staging only.
Yeah. What we will do, Shipra, I will share with you a couple of tables that you can practice on.
Okay, yeah.
I can do the rest.
Yeah.
Basically, we will use all of the tables that we will be needing in the future, and yeah.
Yeah.
We will see next week on Monday and Tuesday. We will have a session with Ravi and Sandeep and Akshat to help Akshat telling him, okay, how to link between those two tables. Okay. What is the primary key in that one? What is the connection and so on.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Similar way you can check Tariq here B is equal to X in the staging layer as well in the portal. Yeah. In the CRD your product.
Meanwhile, I have recorded all the session from my mobile.
Very nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
It could also be a reference view.
Yeah.
So here you should be seeing the data in packet format. Now from here, either create enriched. There is also a wizard called create enriched. If any further filtering on the data wanted to be done, or further cleanup on the data, how we do it in the Oracle, right? If there is special characters which is having in the column or something, we do some cleanup, right? So if we want to do, then there is a one more layer called enriched layer. From staging, we can push it to the enriched layer. Again, we have a wizard for that, create enriched. If that is a part of Akshit, I think. Yeah, he can also. Yeah, that's a completely a curation to the data. If you want to further curation, now you have a data from Oracle to raw to staging.
Nice, nice. We will take it from here and we will push all the needed tables to staging, and hopefully by Monday everything will be ready for action to curate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Shipra, I will share with you
Yeah.
2 or 3 tables, and you can use them afterward.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
And practice them.
Yeah.
Maybe you can also use the exact same naming of the table for now, or not for now. Just use the exact same naming of the table, and so it can be easier also for action to identify them and so on.
Okay. Okay. Tari.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sandeep.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shipra.
Sandeep. Thank you, Tariq.
Have a nice evening. Yeah.
Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.